Teaching is leaving a vestige of oneself in the development of another. And surely the student is a bank where you can deposit your most precious treasures. Good morning to one and all present here. I, Sakshi Talwar, with my co-anchors Reeti Verma and Kashika Arora, welcome you all to the celebrations of Teachers' Day 2020 in the new normal. It is the day when we all are here to express our feelings of gratitude towards our mentors and teachers. Indeed, it is a proud moment for all the members of Indraprastha fraternity as the occasion is graced by the benign presence of our Honorable Chairperson, Ma'am and Chairman, Sir, Mr. and Miss A.S. Rana, our revered Managing Director, Sir, Dr. Rajesh Hasija, our adorable Additional Director, Madam Anupama, and our guiding force, our Principal, Ma'am, Miss Shikha Arora. We heartily welcome you all on this special day to commemorate the Teachers' Day.
Prayer is not asking. Prayer is putting oneself in the hands of God at His disposition and listening to His voice in the depth of our hearts. Let us start this auspicious day by seeking the blessings of the Almighty.
There shall be showers of blessings. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessings, showers of blessings we need. Mercy drops endless are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessings, precious reviving again. Over the hills and the valleys, sound of abundance of rain. Showers of blessings, showers of blessings we need. Mercy drops endless are falling, but for the showers we plead.
It is truly said, prayer is a shield to the soul, a sacrifice to God. A leader is like a shepherd. He stays behind the flock, letting the most nimble go out ahead, whereupon the others follow, not realizing that all along they are being directed from behind. On this positive note, I take the honor to invite our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Ms. Shikha Arora, to share her thoughts and blessings with us.
Thank you, Kashika. Good morning, everyone. I
Good
extend a
morning, ma'am.
good morning. I
Good
extend a
morning.
hearty welcome to all of you on this
Good morning,
auspicious
ma'am.
occasion of
Morning,
Teachers'
ma'am.
Day. This day makes us to rededicate our efforts and revisit our commitment towards shaping the destinies of our children who are under our care. On this special day, as we fondly remember the great scholar, philosopher, and former President of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, I will be failing in my duties if I don't extend our profound gratitude to our visionaries and mentors who have always been the beacons of light for us to illumine the path that we tread. I would like to mention here to Honorable Chairman Sir and Chairperson Ma'am that no words are enough to thank you for all the unconditional support that you extend to us in making the school environment so comfortable and conducive. We are truly indebted to our mentor, Dr. Rajesh Hasija, Director Sir, without whose direction we are like a ship without a rudder. Not to miss our dynamic additional director, ma'am, Madam Anupama, whose eye for detail makes us navigate towards perfection. Today on Teachers' Day, I would like to congratulate all my teachers for the way you all miraculously rose up to the situation and trained and updated yourselves digitally to accept the mammoth challenge of online teaching. You didn't stop at that. You conducted all virtual activities, competitions, and events, and more so, helped and trained our children to bring home 5 rolling trophies even in these testing times. You conducted virtual PTMs and even assessments. Nothing has dampened the spirits of the teachers of Indraprastha, and this positivity is also transmitted to our children. I heartily congratulate each one of you for your undeterred efforts in all domains. I sincerely wish that we carry on with our devoted and dedicated efforts to shape up the future of our country. I salute each one of you as a nation builder and bless all the children under your care. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
He firmly believed that the true teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, an eminent educationist and philosopher, who strongly believed that teachers are the nation builders. According to him, a true teacher does not compel you to learn facts forcefully. In fact, he prepares you to face the challenges of life adroitly and with confidence. Such were his thoughts about teachers, our nation builders. It was his most cherished desire to celebrate his birthday as Teachers' Day and extend gratitude to the nation builders. On this positive note, we extend the floral tribute to Dr. S. Radhakrishnan for his contributions as an educationist to the society.
ज्ञान का दान ही सबसे बड़ा है, जिसे कोई ना लूटे। ज्ञान का दान ही सबसे बड़ा है, जिसे कोई ना लूटे। ज्ञान का रिश्ता सच्चा रिश्ता, ज्ञान का रिश्ता सच्चा रिश्ता, बाकी रिश्ते झूठे।
Respected Dr. Rajesh Achija, our mentors, principals, teachers, and staff members of Indraprastha. It's my privilege to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. I also pray to God for your good health in this testing time. Dear staff members, this COVID-19, you are the witness, stop the whole world. Everything becomes standstill. When whole world was stopped, but this pandemic could not stop my team in Indraprastha, could not stop my team to reach my students and teach my students. These days, you know very well, all online classes are going very successful. Students are very happy. I am happy to share that you, team Indraprastha, was among the few schools. Even I can say was the first school in Delhi to start the online classes. When others were thinking, you started your classes separately. When Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi and our Education Minister was taking a meeting, wherein about 500 to 600 school principals of Delhi, NCR and other educationists were present, and our Director Dr. Rajesh Asija apprised the Honorable Minister that Indraprastha has already conducted the PTM as well as the online inter-school competitions. He was very surprised, and it's an honor to you that he asked Dr. Saab, please tell other schools also and also share to us how you did it. It's a matter of pride, and I want to congratulate the whole team in the Indraprastha. Again, you are the witness that GDP in the whole world is going down. But you as teachers have changed everything. There is a lot of inventions you have done, and our education system has reached the new heights. Even I can say our teachers have redefined the education system in India. When our Honorable Prime Minister talks about Atmanirbhar, I can think, I can't comment on others, but I can say proudly, as in education learning process, we have become Atmanirbhar. I conclude with the words, ना बदली धरती ना बदला आसमान, टीचर्स ने और टीम एजुकेशनिस्ट ने बदल डाला हिंदुस्तान. My again best wishes to you and wish you a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राह पर बने वही वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही, मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही. मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही, मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही.
A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops.
एक टीचर की सिखाई बातें सिर्फ क्लासरूम की चार दीवारों तक नहीं, बल्कि जिंदगी के चारों पड़ाव उसके अंत तक याद रहती है.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
मॉर्निंग शुभम.
मैम, ये पिछले हफ्ते की रिपोर्ट्स.
यू मे हैव अ सीट.
थैंक यू मैम.
ये रिपोर्ट्स तो ठीक है शुभम, पर अरोड़ा की प्रेजेंटेशन कहाँ है? वो तो मेन थी ना आज.
मैम, वो तो अगले हफ्ते नहीं देनी थी.
अगले हफ्ते नहीं शुभम, 2 हफ्ते पहले दी गई थी और आज उसकी लास्ट डेट थी. What is going on with you, Shubham? What is wrong?
मैम वो पापा का बाईपास और कुछ फैमिली प्रॉब्लम्स थी.
बाईपास तुमने करना था, डॉक्टर ने. You can move out of here now.
Sorry.
परमानेंट टैन।
याशिका तू कितनी सुंदर है ना, काश बस थोड़ी सी और गोरी होती।
तुमको पता है अगर लाइट बंद कर दो ना याशिका दिखती ही नहीं है।
धूप में ज्यादा खेलने लग गई है क्या?
लाइट्स
रोलिंग
कैमरा।
तो छोड़ दो ना, जिस टाइम डेट पेरेंट्स बनने का आइडिया जिसका था आपका, और फिर जो मन में आया उनके साथ किया, और फिर
मैम पेरेंट्स से आप बात कर रहे हो, बिल्कुल भी इमोशन है नहीं। कट कर यार, दोबारा रोल कर।
1 मिनट सर।
थोड़ा मैम इमोशन फील करो आप। कास्टिंग एजेंट तो कह रहा था कि आपने बहुत चेक करा, थोड़ा इमोशन प्लीज। हाँ
सॉरी सर, पता नहीं क्या कर रही है अभी।
ठीक है यार,
रेडी सर।
सीन 5 शॉट 2 टेक 15 कैमरा
रोलिंग सर।
एक्शन।
तो छोड़ दो, एंड इट ना। पेरेंट्स बनने का आइडिया जिसका था आपका, करेक्ट, और फिर जो मन में आया उनके साथ किया, और फिर अगर कुछ गलत हो जाए तो कहते रहते हो कि ये
कट इट। मैडम टैलेंट ही नहीं है, 16वें शॉट पे पहुंच गए हम, अभी तक आपसे हुआ नहीं है। यू हैव नो टैलेंट, आई एम सॉरी मैम। मैं देख लूंगा, आप कोई और एक्टर लेके आया। ठीक है, थैंक यू मैडम।
एक बार एक टीचर ने कहा था कि वो बच्चों को होमवर्क में 10 क्वेश्चंस देती है और उनमें से 4 बच्चे कर ही नहीं पाएंगे। ये उन्हें पहले से ही पता होता है, पर फिर भी वो उन्हें वो क्वेश्चंस देती हैं ताकि बच्चे को कोशिश करने की आदत लगे।
ही ना जाने कितने लाइफ लेसन्स आप हमें एकेडमिक लेसन्स में पढ़ा जाते हैं, न जाने जिसकी ज़रूरत हमें ज़िंदगी के किस मोड़ में पड़ जाए।
What happened, beta? Why aren't you in your class?
Sorry ma'am.
Are you okay? What happened?
क्लास जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा।
क्यों?
क्लास में ध्यान ही नहीं लगता, बहुत कंफ्यूज सा रहता हूँ। कभी एक काम करने की कोशिश करता हूँ तो ऐसा लगता है कि दूसरा छूट रहा है। और घर पे पापा भी थोड़े से बीमार थे, समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कि क्या करूँ। ऐसा लग रहा है कि बस भागे जा रहा है और सारा काम पीछे छूटा जा रहा है। कहीं फोकस करने की कोशिश करूं, नहीं कर पाता।
तुमने एक कहानी सुनी है? जब सारे दरवाजे बंद हो जाते हैं तो एक खिड़की खुल जाती है, सुनी है? तो हम जब भी वो कहानी सुनते हैं ना, हम आधी सुनते हैं, अधूरी सुनते हैं। वो खिड़की खुल तो जाती है लेकिन हमें उसे खोजना पड़ता है। अब अगर तुम ऐसे गिव अप करके बैठ जाओगे और कुछ नहीं करोगे तो वो तुम्हें खिड़की कभी भी नहीं मिलेगी। समझ आ रही है मेरी बात?
यस मैम।
गुड, नाउ गो बैक टू योर क्लास।
बेटा क्या हुआ? Are you all right?
हाँ, मुझे क्लास में हर कोई बुली करता है because of my complexion. Just because मैं औरों की तरह फेयर नहीं हूँ, इस वजह से सब लोग मुझे बुली करते हैं।
Calm down, बेटा।
मैम, बट इसमें मेरी क्या गलती है?
See, you can only love yourself, Yashika. And if you cannot appreciate what God has given you, no one else would. Right? So you just love yourself and believe in yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
रूठे ख्वाबों को मना लेंगे, कटी पतंगों को थामेंगे, है जज्बा सुलझा लेंगे उलझे रिश्तों का मांझा, 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 मांझा। सोई तकदीरें जगा देंगे, कल को अंबर भी झुका देंगे, है जज्बा सुलझा लेंगे उलझे रिश्तों का मांझा, 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 मांझा।
मर्जी, आपके सवालों से जकड़ी मर्जी, आपके ख्यालों से जख्मी मर्जी।
ठीक है, लेकिन अभी भी थोड़ी काम करना पड़ेगा इसमें।
सर, मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया है सर।
हाँ, तो अभी हार्डवर्क और चाहिए। मैं पॉइंट्स बता देता हूँ, तुम उस पर काम कर लेना थोड़ा। पहले तो
सर मुझसे नहीं होएगा सर, आप किसी और को दे दो।
मतलब?
सर आप और किसी को दे दो ना जो गिफ्टेड है।
गिफ्टेड है? अस्मी, कहना क्या चाहता तुम?
मतलब जिसके पास बचपन से ही टैलेंट है।
चलो नाम बताओ किसका?
सर किसी को भी दे दो, वो याशिका, किसी को भी दे दो।
याशिका, अच्छा। मैंने 1 महीने पहले तुमको ये रोल दिया था। अगले दिन तुमने कैसा किया था? बहुत बुरा किया था उसने, सच्ची बोलो। लेकिन मैंने याशिका को पता है वो रोल क्यों नहीं लिया? क्योंकि याशिका पहली बार में सही कर लेती, और वो याशिका को लोग बोलते तो वो समझ लेती कि हाँ मैं पहली बार में ही सही कर सकती हूँ। वो कभी स्कोप नहीं ढूंढती इस चीज में। तुम अभी भी काम कर रहे हो स्कूल के बाद, याशिका नहीं करती कभी। मैंने उस हार्डवर्क के चक्कर में तुमको दिया। बस इस हार्डवर्क करते रहो। जितना हार्डवर्क करोगे उतना तुम्हारे अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा, और ये जो तुम्हारा इंफीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स है ना, वो चला जाएगा उसकी जगह। याशिका गिफ्टेड है, लेकिन तुम हार्ड वर्किंग हो। बस टाइम दो इस बात को, ठीक है? कल मिलते हैं।
बैकअप यार, बैकअप।
सर, एक शॉट ऑन प्लीज।
क्या करूं?
कर लो ट्राई।
कैमरा लगाऊं?
हाँ
पक्का?
हाँ यार,
निकली जाएगी।
कोई नहीं।
ठीक है।
पैरों की बेड़िया
साइलेंस,
बांधे नहीं रे।
एक्शन।
तो छोड़ दो ना, जस्ट सेइंग दैट पेरेंट्स बनने का आइडिया किसका? आपका, करेक्ट? और फिर जो मन में आया अपने बच्चों के साथ किया, और फिर कुछ गलत हो जाए तो बोलते रहते हो ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया, ये कर दिया।
इरादे हरे भरे जिनके सीनों में घर करे, वो दिल की सुने करे, ना डरे, ना डरे।
थैंक यू टीचर्स, हमेशा अपनी बातों के जरिए हमारे साथ रहे।
थैंक यू मुझे पैशन का मतलब समझाने के लिए।
थैंक यू उस पैशन को पाने के
जज्बे को मेरे अंदर भरने के लिए।
जो भाषा हम बोलते हैं,
कहते तो उसे मदर टंग है,
करके क्लासरूम में अपनी टेबल के पास खड़ा करके
शब्द से शब्द जोड़ के।
वो आप नहीं थे जिसने हमें वाक्य बनाना सिखाया?
वो आप थे जिसको देख के पहली बार लगा कि मैं
जर्नलिस्ट,
IAS,
राइटर,
actor,
dancer,
pilot,
इंजीनियर,
कॉन्फिडेंस,
self-love,
creation,
डिसिप्लिन,
परसिवियरेंस,
परसिस्टेंस,
belief।
इन सब का मतलब आपने बताया।
थैंक यू,
thank you,
थैंक यू,
थैंक यू,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to all of you.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. लड़खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते हैं कि वो खो जाए राह, तो राह रोशन करते वो। कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो। हमें है यकीन हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो। दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती। हम में भी सलीका ना होता, जीने का तरीका ना होता। ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। छोटे छोटे हाथ, छोटे से पाँव थे, नन्ही सी आँखों ने न था मालूम कि तुम्ही तो दोगे पहचान हम सभी को, इसलिए शुक्रिया दिल से तुमको। दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती, हम में भी सलीका न होता, जीने का तरीका न होता। वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी।
Come and move that in my direction. Thankful for that. Turn every situation into heaven, yeah. Oh, you are my sunrise on the darkest day. Got me feeling some kind of way. Make me wanna savor every moment slowly, slowly. You fit me, tailor-made, love how you put it on. Got the only key, know how to turn it on. The way you never lie my ear, the only words I wanna hear. Baby, take it slow so we can last long.
Tú eres el imán y yo soy el metal. Me voy acercando y voy armando el plan. Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso.
Ya me está gustando más de lo normal. Todos mis sentidos van pidiendo más. Esto hay que tomarlo sin ningún apuro. Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Despacito.
If I woke up without you, I don't know what I would do. Thought I could be single forever till I met you. Usually don't be falling fast. You got a way of keeping me coming back to back. I just found out the only reason that you loving me was to get back at your ex-lover, but before you leave. Usually I would never even care. Baby, I know you're creeping, I feel it in the air. But you're savage love. Did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but you're savage love. When you kiss me, I know you don't get two fucks, but I still want that. You're savage love. You're savage love. You're savage love. You could use me, 'cause I still want. You're killing the game. Watch out.
ਡੈਮੜਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੋਲਦਾ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਭਾਰ ਗੋਰੀਏ, ਗੱਭਰੂ ਤਾਂ ਵੈਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਬੋਲਦਾ, ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਫੇਰ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਗੋਰੀਏ। ਦੇਖ ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਖਾਨ ਨੇ, ਉਹਦਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹਿੰਦਾ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਗੋਰੀਏ, ਗੱਭਰੂ ਤਾਂ ਵੈਰੀ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਬੋਲਦਾ, ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਫੇਰ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਗੋਰੀਏ। ਤੇਰਾ ਰੱਖਾ ਮੈਂ ਰੱਬ ਰੱਖਾ ਯਾਰ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ, ਜਿਹਦਾ ਲਵਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਸਾਰ ਗੋਰੀਏ, ਗੱਭਰੂ ਤਾਂ ਵੈਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਬੋਲਦਾ, ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਫੇਰ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਗੋਰੀਏ। ਰੋਲੀ ਗੁੱਟ ਤੇ ਬੜਾ ਹਾਲੀ ਪੱਗ ਦੇਖਦੀ, ਦੇਖ ਗੌਰ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਚੋਂ ਅੱਗ ਦੇਖਦੀ, ਮਿੱਠਾ ਜੱਟ ਕੌੜੇ ਘੱਟ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਪੀਵਾਂ ਜੱਟੀਏ, ਮਾਤੀ ਉੱਚੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਮਨ ਜਵਾਨੀ ਵਾ ਜੱਟੀਏ। ਪਿੱਛੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਕਾਫਲਾ ਵਿੰਡੋ ਥਾਣੀ ਦੇਵਾ ਹੱਥ ਮਾਰ ਗੋਰੀਏ, ਗੱਭਰੂ ਤਾਂ ਵੈਰੀ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਬੋਲਦਾ, ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਫੇਰ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਗੋਰੀਏ। ਗਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਇਆ 40 ਲੱਖ ਬੋਲਦਾ, ਡਾਲਰ 'ਚ 80,000 ਗੋਰੀਏ, ਗੱਭਰੂ ਤਾਂ ਵੈਰੀ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਬੋਲਦਾ, ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਫੇਰ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਗੋਰੀਏ।
Greetings, my dear friends. On this very special day, I wish my entire team of Indraprastha a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day at Indraprastha is a very special occasion to acknowledge and appreciate the commitment, dedication, and hard efforts of entire team of teaching and non-teaching staff in the process of providing quality education to all my children. In sync with our vision of teach each child and develop whole child, you have been working on the holistic growth of every child under your care. Even during this lockdown, you have left no stone unturned to ensure that every child is constructively occupied in academic activities. You, as a philosopher and a guide, have engaged them into various activities and have been working tirelessly to strengthen the educational and emotional domains of every child with your unconditional love and support. Winning numerous rolling trophies, positions in the competitions at various levels is a testimony to our rich teaching learning program, and that has been possible because of excellent teachers like you. My appreciation and applaud for each one of you. On this day, September 5, I once again rededicate this entire team to the vision and dream of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a great teacher and who believed that teachers are the only source of society who have the potential to give strength to the young saplings to blossom and transform their lives. Teachers play a key role in nurturing and shaping destiny of our young scholars. All our holy scriptures have described teachers as great gurus who have been even worshipped by kings. I am also inspired by the great teacher of today's time, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. His unique quality of being with the children in the process of learning encourages me to be a learner throughout my life. The most profound passion of Dr. Kalam's ability to teach with dedication and build students emotionally and mentally strong citizens is one which we all must imbibe and adopt in our life. You all are great heroes. You are the warriors of every testing time, and you are the hope and inspiration of this society. God has created teachers in His wisdom, in His grace, to help everyone learn to make this world a better, wiser place. Let's fulfill this mission of God. On this Teachers' Day, dear friends, I once again wish each and every one of you a very happy Teachers' Day. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your inspiring words with all of us. The celebration would be incomplete without seeking the best wishes from our adorable additional director, Madam Anupama. Ma'am, we request you to share your pearls of wisdom on this special day.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Chairman Sir, Chairperson Ma'am, and Dr. Rajesh Asija, our Managing Director Sir, it is indeed my honor to be here with all of you today on this special Teachers' Day. And a happy Teachers' Day to each one of you, all the mentors who are present here today, who've been shaping the lives of the students at Indraprastha year by year in their own way. I also congratulate the team of teachers, Shikha ma'am, and all the students for making this Teachers' Day celebration so special today, even if it is happening virtually. I so wish if we were there in the school celebrating this special day, but this celebration virtually with all the efforts of the students and the team of teachers was, trust me, no less than the celebration we would have had in school. It was indeed very, very special. And I highly appreciate and applaud all the efforts that have been put up in this celebration, which has been made possible for us. Thank you so much. And I also take this opportunity to congratulate all the mentors, all the teachers who are present here today for all the achievements that have been listed by Shikha ma'am and by Director Sir in their individual addresses. These achievements, especially in today's testing times, would have truly not been possible had it not been for the sincere resilience and for the commitment to teaching which has been exhibited by each one of you throughout this testing time. I also take this opportunity to congratulate you and to share a few of the learnings that probably I have had about the process of teaching and about being a teacher throughout this COVID pandemic time. One of the most key learning that I think I have learned is to learn and to upskill. Had we as teachers not been willing to change ourselves and to upgrade our skills, to pick up the technology, it probably would not have been possible for us to teach our students so effectively, so innovatively the way each one of us is doing it. This has not been easy. For the teacher who's always been probably camera shy, who's always been intimidated and overwhelmed by the technology, has now so gracefully embraced it and is teaching our students and ensuring that learning is happening irrespective of whether the child is able to come to the classroom. We've made sure the classrooms reach the students. This has only been possible because we've upskilled ourselves and we've stayed dedicated to the purpose of being a good teacher. Second, and the most important lesson I feel that we've learned from the COVID time is giving ownership of learning to the students. This, I feel, we've understood this importance all the more throughout this time, because even though the students are not able to come to the classrooms, the learning should not be confined within those four walls. If a child is curious, the child will learn even beyond these four walls. Even when the child is not able to reach the classroom, he will make the world a learning place and will learn from whatever is around. So as mentors, it has become all the more important for us to ignite that curiosity in our students. And not just ignite that curiosity, I feel it has become all the more important to keep that curiosity alive throughout the learning process so that the students become a lifelong learner. And if we achieve that, our children will never fail. They'll never fail to make us proud. I am very sure of that. And last and the most important learning that I personally have had throughout this pandemic time is the only change that stops us is us. Nothing else can stop us. We set our own limitations. And when we move beyond those limitations and our own boundaries that we've created in our mind, nothing is unachievable. It was not much earlier that we used to think that probably virtual learning is only for older students, for higher educational institutes. We rarely even thought about the idea that learning can also happen virtually for the younger children, probably the students in the school. And now see how effectively we at Indraprastha are making that learning possible for a small child as young as a 3-year-old is learning virtually because you teachers are making it possible. You teachers challenged yourself. You teachers understood how to make that child learn even if you're not physically there with him. You've made that happen because we've challenged ourselves. So let us keep challenging ourselves. Let us keep challenging our students because we and our students have great potential. And only if we keep constantly challenging it is when we will achieve that and when we will make it happen. We very truly believe, and I am saying that on behalf of Chairman Sir, Chairperson Ma'am, Director Sir, and Shikha Ma'am, I'm sure, that we at Indraprastha have the best team of teachers. And we have achieved a lot because of you teachers and the mentors here at Indraprastha. But there is a lot more to be achieved. And let us continue working for that. And with this, a very happy Teachers' Day to each one of you. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. Behind every man or woman's success is always a teacher. Teachers are like lighthouses who guide the ship of students to the shores of life. They are like the doctors treating the disorders of ignorance. They are the magicians who make the miracles of knowledge happen. This world would be much darker and hostile place to live in if there were no teachers. This life is a very complex phenomenon. Clouds of questions, mysteries, conflicts, doubts, uncertainties, and difficulties are always overcast. Teachers, like the radiant sun, dispel these clouds. They answer the questions, solve mysteries of life, resolve conflicts, clear doubts, and turn uncertainties into certainties. I would like to cite here the example of Miss Sullivan, the wondrous teacher of Helen Keller. After Helen Keller was left deprived of seeing, hearing, and speaking abilities, her world was filled with darkness and sadness. It was her teacher, Miss Sullivan, who filled her world with light. She taught her how to read, write, and stood with her through the challenges of life. Finally, Helen Keller achieved staggering success. This would not have been possible without the teacher, Miss Sullivan. There are many similar inspiring examples that tell us the life-transforming contribution of teachers in our life. We are also so lucky to have such wonderful and dedicated personalities and teachers in our life as our mentors. So let's all be thankful to such knowledgeable teachers for being the light for us. It's my great privilege to say a big thank you to our visionaries, Chairman Sir and Chairperson Madam, Mr. and Mrs. A.S. Rana, without whom we would not be celebrating this auspicious day. Thank you, ma'am and sir, for giving us this huge Indraprastha family. Next, my thanks goes to our revered Managing Director, Sir, Dr. Rajesh Hasija, whose unstinted support has made Indraprastha mark its name in the education industry. Thank you, sir, for being the backbone of this wonderful institution. My heartfelt gratitude to the most adorable person of the Indraprastha family, Madam Anupama, for her guidance and support. Thank you, ma'am. A big thank you to our dear principal, ma'am, who motivates us, and without her support and guidance, today's virtual assembly would not have been possible. Thank you, ma'am. Last but not the least, a big thank you to all the teachers, both teaching and non-teaching staff, who are working tirelessly even in this pandemic situation and adding laurels to the brand Indraprastha in various inter-school competitions, and also motivating the learners through their teaching that whatever may be the situation, with positive outlook and persistence, the impossible can also be turned into possible opportunities. My salute to you all. मंजिल पाने का भी अपना एक सुरूर होता है. सबके जीवन में एक सच्चा गुरु जरूर होता है. उस गुरु की अहमियत को कभी कम ना समझना, क्योंकि गुरु ही सबके मंजिल का गुरूर होता है. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Now, just to conclude, I would like to say a few lines. कभी डांट कर इसने प्यार जताया, कभी रोक टोक कर चलना सिखाया, कभी काली स्लेट पर चौक से उज्जवल भविष्य का सूरज उगाया, ढाल बन करके हर मुश्किल से बचाया, कभी हक के लिए लड़ना सिखाया, कभी गलती बताकर कभी गलती छुपाकर एक सच्चे गुरु का फर्ज निभाया. आज कहते हैं उन टीचर्स को बड़ा सा थैंक यू जिन्होंने हमें इस काबिल बनाया. We wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you very much.